estimate, now you'll see that nothing's kind of working, but then you'll see that here, it's going to complain about things. Okay, you can't find estimate undefined. And that's because we need to just pass it in, estimate. And then that appears there. So you need to see the preview for it to work. Okay, that's the first thing. If you don't see it in the preview, it's not going to work. Now, let me go ahead and just throw in a bit of code that I generated. Well, let's be honest, I asked Claude to generate for me because we are using Tailwind on the front end, we can add some great things like this. Seriously, we can. We can add in. Now, as I said, I feel like, some people love or hate Tailwind because of all these classes. So yeah, I'm sure I'm going to get comments about it. But what we could do is we can place in. So let me put in estimate. I can put in here estimate like that. And then now that's getting passed through to the component, and we can now add this component to our page because this is essentially a code component. So what we can do is we can now add this to the components. Now, there is kind of a steps in here. So you create your component, your code component, and right now, if it's saved, so let's just publish it. Okay, it's saved. But if we go here, well, let's go back to our page. And if we go to add, you won't see it anywhere here because you need to now add it. See this add to components? You need to now add it to the components section. So you click on this and it's like this component will be moved to the components section and will be available on the page.